Hello and welcome to Kids Coloring Land. Today I am going to draw a beautiful drawing. Let's draw with me. I hope you will enjoy drawing and painting. For more beautiful drawing and painting videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Now comes to most exciting part, coloring. Let's start painting with beautiful colors. Red color. Let's paint with red color. Green color. Let's paint with green color. Orange color. Let's paint with orange color. Blue color. Let's paint with blue color. Yellow color. Let's paint with yellow color. Blue color. Let's paint with blue color. If you like my work, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.